To celebrate International Women's Day, we spoke with 4 remarkable women living in Friuli Venezia Giulia about leadership, challenges, and opportunity. What did it mean to you to take on this position?
Per me è veramente un grande onore essere al comando della compagnia dei Carabinieri di Trieste Via Hermet, perché comunque ho la responsabilità dei servizi, delle attività che svolgono tutti i miei collaboratori, che sono un po' meno di 200. Quindi coordinare, dirigere tante persone comunque è una grande soddisfazione, oltre che una grande responsabilità. Se c'è la passione e la motivazione, sicuramente si può raggiungere qualsiasi obiettivo, quindi perché non appunto entrare nell'arma dei carabinieri.
I am a marketing director in Radio Punto Zero, and many times it's good to be a woman, and many times not, because the world is for the men, and the men want to decide all things, and many times it's difficult because they think that the woman is nice and pretty, but not good for a business. You must believe in what you do. Indifferent what you want to do, but the passion is the first things. And the second, it's not the first is okay, not the second is okay, not the third is okay, not the 5, 6, 7. You must hard, because the world transforms all things, and it's possible to arrive where you want.
It taught me how to be organized and efficient, and how hard is to love, since it requests a total gift of oneself. Mutual aid within the family in difficult times.
There's, a lot of work on gender biases, so people are a lot more aware. There are lots of projects out there that they're running for women in leadership position, and giving access to education and everything. But stereotypes are still very much a thing. I believe. And there's this idea that to be a leader as a woman, you sort of have to perform a bit like a man, who tend to bring out this, different side. So I'm hoping for a time in which, this is not even going to be a question anymore, when gender is not going to be a thing, and that we're going to be focusing on, talent and leadership skills and how educated you are and what you want to be doing in life and how determined you are in motivation and vision. It's work in progress, so, fingers crossed, and I'm hoping, it's going to become better and better with time.